So I like to look at Twitter, the X, um, and yeah, this morning I just looked for fun, insightful hacks for the AI. This morning, a guy posted something, and I was immediately intrigued because the headline was "The vibe coders aren't going to like this," and I thought, what? So I read further and the point of the essay, I thought it was kind of dumb, but it's good fodder for this. Uh, the point was that they studied 20 developers in San Diego or something. I don't know what kind of a paper this was, but supposedly these developers, uh, they wouldn't they wouldn't ship. I think I'm using that word right. Ship. They wouldn't send their websites to the public. That's probably not ship, but they wouldn't send their websites to the public without first carefully reading the code. And then the whole point was like this Karpathy method of just like letting the AI code your stuff and then just rolling it out. Said that's not good because apparently these developers know something that the vibe coders don't. I was like, that's fucking funny, bro. Let's see. What have I vibe coded in the last 60 days? 45 days, probably. The first thing I did was vibe coded my website for my company, an existing website that, mind you, I paid $50,000 for a few years ago. I vibe coded that and essentially increased my incoming inquiries by 6x. And when I say that, I do not say that lightly, my friends. It was 4x last week. I vibe coded an AdWord Google Ads campaign. Vibe coded that motherfucker. Cut my ad spend by 75%. My phone's ringing too much now. I actually kind of liked not having stuff to do because it allowed me to learn AI. Thank God. What else have I vibe coded? I vibe coded and launched a website just a couple days ago. It's called Seba.health. I don't care if you go look at it or not, but it's pretty fucking interesting what I've put out. Uh, it's it's an AI that I call Sebastian, by the way, that's essentially grounded in 500, a library of 500 carefully curated books from Homer to Plato to a lot of the ancients, classical literature, all the way up through. It's mostly like a depth psychology bent, right? So, but it's very very grounded. I put mad effort into designing the prompts and giving Sebastian his voice and his perspective and the way he responds. And I fucking vibe coded the whole goddamn thing. I don't read the fucking code. I don't know what the code is. I have no idea. I literally just trust Claude just to fucking put it out there, bro. I don't know. Check it out. You probably find holes in it. I don't really give a shit. Like it's funny. Like I think the developers should know that we the vibe coders have fucking figured something out too, and we don't need you. I've built websites. Like I said, I paid $50,000 for my company's website. Based on my experience, if I were to have somebody else build this website for me, Seba.health, and include what it actually includes in there, it would have cost me a minimum 25 grand. And I put it together in like a few weeks, bro. And not only that, I packed that motherfucker with GEO and SEO. And now some fucking jackass on TikTok is gonna say, well, those are rah, rah, rah. It's like, bro, do some fucking research. So, because actually, it is a real thing. Uh, I'm like 36 hours in, I'm already listing higher than people that have like well established websites, like on Google. Just literally just like that. Because I know how to write structured data. Because I know what schema is. I don't and I need to I regress. I don't know how to write structured data. And I don't actually know what schema is, but I know enough to fucking ask the AI to help me. So, just yeah, it's just, bro, this is a new world. I mean, it's pretty wild what we can do now, um, if we're unemployed or like just have a lot of time on our hands and a lot of money to spend on these fucking tokens. But hey, we know something. Watch out. Watch out, developers, because the vibe coders are coming for your fucking jobs. Oh, I forgot. I forgot, bro. I've actually already built 2 websites for people that hired me to build their websites, dude. One woman's website was like blocked, like because I built this other website called 702 Alliance. It's where a bunch of small business owners get together and sort of hack the algorithm and help each other get SEO and GEO, blah blah blah. So whatever, we're doing it. I mean, we're fucking doing it, dude. We're shipping, dog.